Oh, them shake it, but don't break it. Wind them hips, lick them lips, shake those thighs, ring them eyes, and them keep us so surprised. Ooh, them girls, shot skirts with curves, the long curls. Mama going downtown to your toes twirl. Hey, listen, lady, from we fellas to them girls. Short skirts with curves, the long curls. Mama going down.
Hey guys, hello guys, hi guys, I'm Abigail Ekweghi and you're welcome back to today's hip dip video. So we are going to be working up side hips, our hip muscle, to get it all wider, bigger, and actually reduce any form of hip dips you have around that area. It's going to be a hard one, but don't give up along the line. That's the only way you can actually get them to grow. For a muscle to grow, you have to continuously increase the tension on that muscle. So if you do 10 repetitions of the workout, 5 repetitions, you want to constantly be increasing it. If you don't want to keep increasing just the workout number, if you're assuming you're using body weight, you can get resistant band, which I have on my website. You can buy one, or buy weights and ankle weights and use as well. Those will actually create extra tension on the muscle and get them growing and increasing in size. I use all this in my workout. If you're new here, my name is Abigail, I'm a Nigerian fitness trainer. I'm your trainer from now on, so subscribe to this channel and hit the notification so you don't miss out from any of my booty video like this. Anyway, make sure you guys download the free nutrition guide to grow your booty and keep your tummy flat if you want this whole thing to work, because you need to complement it with the right nutrition, the right minerals, vitamins and protein to help them grow. And I also have sample meal plans, so you don't even have to worry and guess yourself in the nutrition guide. So go download it. It's for free, actually, free of charge. Well, let's get started with the workout. It's a 10-minute workout actually, and then you're supposed to repeat 2 sets or 3 sets or 4 sets of it for a day, 3 times a week.
Alright, let's get started. I'll just go ahead and wear my waist cincher and then my ankle weight and resistance band. These are totally optional for the beginners, but if you really want to grow this booty after 1 month or 2 months of working out, then you really need to get one of these, be it a resistance band or an ankle weight, if you want to trigger growth on those hip muscles, because that's what it takes. You even at some point will need to get a plate and use them on the hip to keep growing the muscle. So the first exercise we're starting off with here is a banded lateral lift, and basically we're performing 12 repetitions on each leg. For this move, I want you to feel the hip muscle burning of both legs, both the one that is standing and the one that is lifting. So you want to feel it and try to pull in your belly, engage your core muscle as well, just to get extra work on those areas. Breathe while you're performing this move. Let's get ready for the next exercise. Next one, we're doing a sumo side to side walk. Come down to a squatting position and then try to walk to the side. Feel the hip muscle of both legs walking on this motion. You also want to keep your back straight, pulling your belly and breathe while you're performing this move. Try to squeeze the hip muscle and the butt muscle while you make this move. If you're not feeling it on your hip, you're not doing it correctly. Readjust your body and get back to it. Next, we're doing a superset, a side plank hip raise abduction, and we'll switch and do the second exercise to superset it. 12 repetitions on each leg. These moves are purely hip moves. They are not for the obliques in any way. So if you're feeling in your oblique, you're crunching on the oblique, that means you're not lifting from your hip muscle. So you should feel each of this move on the hip muscle. Right now we're moving on to doing a side plank leg lift. 12 repetitions. Go ahead and switch side and let's repeat the same 2 moves on the opposite body parts to balance up the whole thing. Let's begin. Lift from the hips here and feel this hip muscle burn, not the oblique, please. There you go. Let's switch and repeat the last move. Side plank leg lift, 12 repetitions. Keep going. You're almost there. There you go. Rest for 30 seconds. Catch your breath here. Let those muscles ease off the tension a little bit and get your brain prepared for the next move. So if you've not actually downloaded my free nutrition guide to accompany this workout, go get it. The link is in the description box for you to get it. So next move, we're doing a frog pump. Basically, I want you to lie on your back and then spread your legs to the side with your foot clamped together, and then bring those foot as close to your bum as possible and lift off the bum from the ground. Squeeze your butt on the top and drop it down. Repeat as many repetitions within the 30 seconds frame. This is going to burn those hip muscle, the gluteus maximus. Then quickly switch to a 30 seconds front pump hold. Just hold it to the bridge form and just hold there. Squeeze the butt muscle, breathe while you're in this position, and actually also engage your core muscle while you're still on this position. Keep going. You have 3, 2, 1. Drop it down. There you go. Rest for 30 seconds here and we'll do some oblique work. That's for the side and love handles. And yes, if you're new on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification to get updated when I post new videos. Make sure to also like and share this video. It supports this channel a lot. And also download my free nutrition guide. The link is in the description box. So let's move on to the next exercise. We're doing a lying obliques jackknife for 30 seconds. So basically you want to lie on your side and then try to jack it up, lift your body and crunch to those oblique muscles, then try to touch the side of your foot. Go back and crunch it up for 30 seconds, as many repetitions within the 30 seconds time. Keep going. You're almost there. In 3, 2, 1, and there you go. Switch side and repeat the same move on the opposite body. Are you there? Let's begin. Pull in your belly button, breathe while you perform this, and as you crunch up, try to also engage the side of your belly. That's the oblique muscle. Keep going. You're almost there. Yes. Keep going. Yes, there you go. Quickly move on to the next exercise, and here we're doing a sit-up reach through for 30 seconds. You want to lie on your back and come up, crunch to those core muscles and reach in between your legs. Go back to lying, come up, crunch. Repeat as many as possible within 30 seconds. And you can increase the pace or go slow. Whichever one, it's fine. After this, we're moving on to our finisher hip workout. And here we're going to be working a hips to finish up and make it intense. And we're doing a curtsy shuffle here. Basically, you want to come to a curtsy and then shuffle in between opposite side of the leg standing. So you want to take it to the left, take it to the right on a lunge position. This is going to burn the leg that is standing. If you're not comfortable performing this, without holding on to something. Just get a chair or hold on to a wall to make it easy for you. You also want to make sure the feeling is on those hip muscles, especially the one that is standing and the little on the leg that is moving on each side. Get ready for the next exercise in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's move on to the next exercise. This is a side lunge pauses. So basically you want to lunge to your side, pause for 20 seconds on each leg. Keep going. So guys, this is the last workout and I hope you did enjoy the workout. You're supposed to repeat 3 sets of this workout. That's repeat the entire exercises all over for another 3 sets to get the best results from this workout. And yes, be sure to subscribe to this channel if you're new and turn on the bell, like and share this video, and also comment below and tell me which of the exercises do you like more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.